beautiful day in the neighborhood. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. I think it's just the design. Holy shit, I almost hit a bird. Alright y'all, so this is the new camera setup. Well, new audio setup. Still got the GoPro Hero 8 on this magnetic mount that turns, which is pretty sweet. So if I honestly just hold this little button right here, it will rotate to where I can film that way. And then obviously just boom. But for audio, since it's an old GoPro, we needed the media mod. Media mod is running to transmitter. Transmitter is connected to DJI Mini. So that is the current setup. Hopefully it turns out. Sticks out a little far, but my other one did anyways, so I'm alright with that. I can't see it, it's not in my view, and hopefully the view is okay. I love you, girls. I will. Thank you. I'll be right back, sissy, okay? Love you. I'll be right back, okay? I love you. Love you, Mom. That breeze feels super good. So currently we have the windshield open, so we'll see how the wind is with this, and then once we hit the main road, I'll shut the shield, and hopefully audio is great. I'm so sick of dealing with audio issues. Try to scoot this mic back, try to see where it's at. So I got it on the magnet right now, and I'm trying to find where the mic position is. We'll just leave it there. Yeah, I want to raise the back of the bike up. I can feel it's lower in the rear now. And I just took all preload out of the spring, so my butt is not getting beat up. It's just to the point where I want a softer ride. Got some front travel again. So now softened up the rear. Now I need to get a little more travel out of the back. I just feel like I'm sitting way too low. This mic's not wanting to stay where it's at. He's wanting to move around. So the magnet might not work. nice out. Compared to the other day it was like 90 something degrees out. So yeah, we don't have too far of a ride to go to. Just riding around. We're gonna go into town, and then I gotta stop at Walmart. Man, this mic is tickling my mouth now. Yeah, I'm gonna have to adjust it when we stop. I don't like this. I didn't think it was gonna move. Fuzzy's tickling my freaking mouth. I just hope this audio is alright. I did see on the transmitter you can turn down decibels, so I'm hoping I wasn't supposed to turn it down. Maybe one click, I don't know. School Mustang. But sweet. So let's see if it picks it up. Let's see if the Mini DJI was worth the investment. Man, this turn is normally so fun when there's no traffic. Looks so cool. Looking pretty cool between all the pollution clouds. Let's see if we see any bikers out here. Alright, to be continued. Alright, so I turned down the decibels by 2. You may know the DJI Mini has got a little transmitter, and you can turn up the decibels, turn down the decibels. So we turned it down, and might hear some noise from the curtain rods. By far the worst road to ride on. Tracks are not going to help your rear camera, sir. Camera gang. Misting in the air. It's kind of weird. And if you're noticing, it looks very smoky out. I heard Canada is on fire or something again. I don't know. Someone lost a shoe. Oh no, not the grandpa slip-on Velcro, boys. Just my helmet. I think I'm gonna have to invest into a new helmet. I almost want to try to wear the wipes, see if that helps. I think it's just the design. Holy shit, I almost hit a bird. I really do miss my mirrors. I think I said that last video. It would be nice to know if like a cop or somebody was coming up behind me. Especially at red lights, it really makes me nervous. I can't see behind me and I don't know if a car is gonna fly up on me or whatever, and that is literally my worst fear. Look like that Challenger in a truck like racing or something. Beautiful day in the neighborhood, beautiful day in the neighborhood. I want to take this bike to a track so bad, man. I need a tracksuit first, though. That's gonna be my next investment, is a whole suit. I see a lot of riders wearing them, and man, they save their freaking butts. The leather, the padding. I mean, I know I got a jacket. I probably should be wearing my jacket all the time. You know what? I'm gonna call myself an idiot right now for not even wearing it today. It's not like it's even that hot. I was like, man, it just feels so good. So I just jumped on the bike in a t-shirt, not even thinking. But I mean, it's not like it's 90 out. I could have wore my jacket. At 200 degrees. I thought it'd be a little cooler. Man, the other night this thing was running at like 160. It was that chilly, and then the rain. I think the rain was just soaking the radiator to where this thing dropped temps so low. But it, man, I know it was a happy bike, that's for sure. Man, I'm praying this decibel thing has really helped. When I played back the first video and I listened to all the crackle noise, I was very disappointed. Oh, we got some riders. Old school. Whoa, didn't want to fall in that hole. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. So yeah, let's hope this DJI Mini was worth the investment. Also, I cracked the rear screen on the GoPro, and I am using a Hero 8. So I just spoke with GoPro today, and they are going to replace it with a 12. And I literally just ordered a replacement screen on Amazon. And find out. The screen is $20 and the replacement GoPro was yeah, replacement screen is $20 and replacement GoPro is $100. So it's definitely worth just buying the replacement GoPro because, I mean, that's enough said. So yeah, thanks for riding with me and catch me in the next one. Hopefully this audio comes out good.